Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have filmed this look I'm wearing right now. This look has been requested a ton of times and I literally mean so many people requested this look back in like December. Wore this look quite a few times in quite a few videos back in like December, January time, which was quite a long time ago now, I will admit, and I said I would get around to filming it and then I just completely forgot. Like, I'm not gonna lie, completely forgot. And then yesterday I actually got a comment saying on that video from how many months ago, will you film a look on this look? And then I thought, oh my god, yes, because it's my favourite look I've ever done before. So I filmed it today. I'm going to edit it and upload it and get it up for you tonight. So if you want to see how I created this look right here, then keep on watching. So first of all, we're starting this look off with eyes, because when I actually did this look the first time, I started off with eyes and I noticed that it was a lot easier to do my foundation with like the fallout and stuff afterwards. So I'm starting off with the Born This Way concealer and then just setting with a powder, and then for eyes I actually used the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette mixed with an Inglot palette, which I actually forgot to show, but I just used the only yellow shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette mixed with some reds and some oranges and some like dark berry shades, and I just sort of created, as you can see, a very red sort of fire looking halo eye is the only way I can describe it. I just love like warm shades on my eyes and I feel like this will really bring out the blue in your eyes, or definitely if you've got green as well. And then using a really precise crown like pencilish brush and using MAC copper pigment on the centre of the eye to create a halo, and then I applied lashes and that was my eyes done. It's really simple and it's really easy and I love it. So then for moisturiser slash primer, we are using the Nivea Express Hydration Primer. This is my absolute favourite and it's very, very moisturising. And then for foundation, we're using the Beauty Pie, which is very, very dark, and the PS Pro, which is very, very light, and mixed together to make the perfect shade. I'm using my Blank Canvas Beauty Blender dupe, and this is a really good sponge and I love it, and I've gone through about 3 now and I love them, so that's what I used today. Then for concealer, we're using the Tarte Shape Tape and Collection Art Infection. As you can see here, my Tarte Shape Tape is running out, but yeah, mixing these two together to create the perfect shade. I then after this moved on to set my face, and to set my face I used the Collection Corrector powder. This is £1.98 and it's so good, and I like to apply a lot like Patrick Star because I do feel like it does set your makeup for the whole day. And then we are contouring, and I thought I'd bring this one out today. I featured it in my palette declutter. This is the NYX contour kit and I'm using my favourite crown brush to just chisel out and bronze, etc, etc. And then using my favourite palette at the moment, this is the Pixie Chloe Morello palette, and I'm just using all the blushes together because they are to die for, and they give such a lovely like flush of pink to your cheeks and make it look like a really natural healthy glow. But then you're using the Dolce Candy like all over face palette. I'm using the highlighters because they are stunning and I absolutely love them, and I am in love, obsessed with them at the moment. And then for lips, we're using Jeffree Star Butt Naked on my lips, and that is the finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and it was really quick, really easy, and I loved it. This is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I loved filming it. I sat here and watched Riverdale and just did the look, and I really enjoyed filming it, and it really brought me back to like when I used to film a ton of makeup videos, because I don't feel like I film as many of them anymore as what I used to. But thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!